Wix Logo Maker. Build your brand online with a beautiful logo. Just go to Wix Logo Maker. To start, type the business name and add the tagline. It's for a pet supplies shop, so it's got to be fun, playful and fresh. Then help Wix Logo Maker understand your style. Choose where you'll use it. Here we go. Wow, so many great options. Let's go with this one. Here is where you can customize the logo, like changing the icon and the font. You can also print the new logo on t-shirts, business cards, even mugs. It's gonna look perfect on your Wix site. Go to wix.com Logo Maker and create your professional logo today. Tailor Brands. At Tailor Brands, we help people turn ideas into businesses by making the process of starting a business into something easy and even fun. Here's how it works. You start by writing down your business name. Tailor will then ask you some questions so it can better understand your business and make the best decisions in order to launch and scale it successfully. Give Tailor a few seconds to compute all the data, and voila! The first building block of your business was just created from scratch. But that's not all. Add a bit more information and Tailor create your online identity for you with a fully personalized website, branded digital business cards and branded designs for social media. Give Tailor the green light and it will secure your online identity and help you look professional with a domain name and mailbox account for business cards and branded merchandise, and have them shipped right to your doorstep, and even protect your business by registering your LLC and getting your trademark, and everything happens seamlessly without the hassle and cost of onboarding multiple services. In the past few years, Tailor Brands has helped over 30 million business owners focus on doing what they love. Fiverr. How to create an iconic brand in about 5 minutes. This is Fiverr Logo Maker, designed to instantly match you with a unique and affordable pre-made logo. Each logo was crafted by a top-tier designer and is automatically paired and adjusted for you using AI technology to get started. Find a look and feel. Make some adjustments if you'd like. And that's about it. Explore the Fiverr Logo Maker for free and create an iconic brand in about 5 minutes. Or just play around with it. It's actually pretty fun. Design.AI. It only takes 2 minutes to create a suitable logo for your business. To get started, first insert your company name, then select the category. Pick a style, color, and the logo designs that suit your business. From the thousands are generated. Wait a few seconds for our engine to stitch a preview for you. To edit, simply click to change fonts and the colors. That's it. You are done. Download your new logo along with your branding kit. Your new logo is now ready to be used on marketing collaterals, social media platforms and merchandise. Smarter, faster, easier. Logo Maker by Design.AI. Printful. Have you been thinking about making a logo but don't know how to get started? With the Printful Logo Maker tool, making a logo is made easy. It just takes a few simple steps to make a great looking design with our Logo Maker. First, pick the feeling you want your logo to have. Choose up to 3 between the options we offer, then pick a template suggested to you. Will depend on the feeling you want for your logo. And finally, adjust the logo to your liking. Add your personal touch to it to really make it unique. The Logo Maker is a quick and easy way to make a professional looking logo for your brand. So get started and take your business to the next level.